terrible. Hey guys, my name is Tierra. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another vlog. I am just vlogging because, as you guys can see, my red has definitely grown out. I'm going to dye my hair today, and I want braids because if you guys have looked at my previous vlogs, you know that I've been working out consistently. So I want to do some braids, and I don't want to pay for them. So I'm going to do some knotless braids to the best of my ability. It is a Saturday. I was supposed to start yesterday, but I had a long work day yesterday. So I'm just going to take you guys with me to the beauty supply store, and also washing my hair and actually doing some of the braids as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of that, go ahead and keep on watching. This is going to be vlog style because, of course, we're going to the beauty supply store. We're doing all that type of stuff. So yeah, I know that I don't usually see a lot of people going to the beauty supply store on YouTube. I think like a lot of people just like to shop online, but me personally, I like the beauty supply store. So let's pray that they have my color in my box dye and in my braiding hair. The hair guys need to speak to me and my beauty supply store, because sometimes it's very hard to find this red, and I haven't really seen my hair out, you know, a lot. I usually wear wigs, or I have it braided down a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to the beauty supply store.
You gotta love me, you gotta wanna hug me and squeeze me.
Sometimes we say things that we really don't mean. We do things in between the lines. We should do more to stand out. I'm sorry if I made you feel less than who you are, a little insecure. Oh, you's a shining star, but it's been my nights with you, my life with you. Oh, baby, babe, please wait up for me till whenever I get home. I know that you're all alone, thinking about what you gon' do. I hope that you'll see it through.
And you gotta love me, you gotta wanna hug me.
Okay, so hey guys, I am back from the beauty supply store. You guys saw, I showed you guys briefly what I got, but I did get the Cream of Nature Exotic Shine color in the color Burgundy Blaze 6.2. So this is what I got. I was going to get a different color, a color that I usually put on, but I was really just trying to make sure that I matched my hair as much as possible, and these kind of go together. It's like a dark burgundy. This is Expressions hair in the number 4425, and this is the 52-inch braiding hair. So this is the color number, this is the inches, this is the brand. So I got like 4 of these. I doubt I'll use 4 of these, but I just got them just to be on the safe side. And I also got some more Shine and Jam. I have some of this, but I believe it's almost out. And it's not almost out. I could have definitely just do with this. Could have definitely just do with this. But, you know, that's what I get for not checking my inventory. That's what I get for not checking my inventory before going to the beauty supply store. I also got a lot of body. Now, I know I was running out of this one. I only have a little bit in this one, so I did need some more of that. And then I ended up getting 2 combs. So I got the one with the little parting thing, and then I just got a regular one. I'm probably going to use the rat tail part to part, but we will see. So I already mixed in the concoctions for the hair color, so I'm just going to go ahead and start applying. As you guys can see, my roots are really grown out. I have like sandy brown hair, so it's a cool little transition, but I think I want all my hair to be the same color. I really don't mind when my roots grow out because I think it just looks nice. But my hair has grown so much since I cut it. As you guys know, I did cut my hair like in July of 2021, but it has grown so much. I really don't do much to it. So yeah, I'm just tired of like wearing wigs and braiding my hair down and stuff like that for the gym. So I'm just ready to get these braids in my hair. Ah. And when you have braids in your hair for a long time, your hair, well, I don't know if it's just me, but my head is so tender. It is so annoying. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and just apply this color. So I don't really care too much about this hoodie, but I would suggest just putting on a shirt that you really don't care too much about. Actually, I'm gonna go change shirts because I'm gonna get hot in this. So I'll.
And you gotta love me. You gotta wanna hug me and squeeze me.
Sometimes we say things that we really don't mean. We do things in between the lines. We should do more to stand out. I'm sorry if I made you feel less than who you are, a little insecure. Oh, you's a shining star, but it's been my nights with you, my life with you. Oh, babe.
So you guys, one side is fully saturated, and of course, it's always something, you know, my fingers. I'm so glad I've had these nails for like 2 weeks now. But yeah, this is one side fully saturated, and then I am just going to get back with you guys once I get to the top of this one. This is as far as I got. So I attempted to do some in the back and I got a little frustrated. So I just went ahead and parted my entire head and braided each braid individually. And we're just going to come back tomorrow and attempt to do all of this. I think I got a little in over my head because this is not fun. My hands cramp a lot when I braid my hair, and this is a lot of braiding. So I'm going to try to do like bigger braids than this that's in the back. So I'm going to actually take these down tomorrow and actually try to do larger braids so that, you know, it's just a smoother process. Because some of my braiding parts are a little bit bigger than others. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully this goes pretty smooth. I'll show you like an in-depth video of like my parting spaces and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, so I am back, and as you guys saw, I went to the beauty supply store. I colored my hair. I blow dried my hair, and I also ended up parting my hair, and I also practiced on like a couple braids in the back. Once I woke up, I did not like the parting at all. It just wasn't neat enough for me, And I'm giving myself a little grace because I'm doing this on my own for the first time, doing knotless braids on my hair. I've done box braids, but that's a lot easier than knotless braids if you ask me. But yes, so I decided to take out the majority of my parts. I'm going to actually take these out too, but I like this part around here, so I didn't want to mess that up. So I took out all my braids, and we're just going to start from scratch. So I am going to take my Shining Jam, and I have 2 of these rat tail combs for my parts. Oh my god, what is that clown's name from The Simpsons? That's what it's giving. That's what it's definitely giving.
Yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the dean. Listen out the most the king, yo. It's about a thing, feel real good, wave your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. Since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gonna pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the jinn. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gonna tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass, but you thinking this.
So we're gonna get to braiding finally. So I'm gonna try to do the ones in the back, and then I'm gonna come back to where I can actually show you guys in the front. So yeah.
The big breaking things, 'cause we can't see. Too busy kissing, just making scenes. Here come the police, they know about your history.
So guys, I have about 8 more braids to do. I am going to do this one in the front for you guys, and then I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. I have my water boiling so that I could dip my hair once I'm done, and I also have my Lotta Body foaming mousse right here beside me because I am ready to get done. This honestly did not take me as long. If I had like actually done this continuously, I think it probably would only took me like 4 or 5 hours, but it has definitely rolled into something else because I was talking on the phone, I was eating, I had to take my dog out, all type of stuff. So yeah, I'm almost at the finish line, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys this last one, and then yeah, we're gonna be all set after this. So let me go ahead. I already parted these and put my product on there. So like I said, I have about 8 more braids to do, and we are all set.
Don't know why, just know I want you.
And let's get into it. So I'm just going to unravel that and make sure you have enough product on your hair so that it stays. I'm just making sure my baby hair is down. So I am acting as though I am about to do a braid. I go over 1 time, and then once this finger here goes back to the right side, I am going to take my hair, put it in between my fingers like so, and I'm going to put it in between my index and my thumb finger, right? Then I'm going to grab that one, I'm going to go over to the piece of hair that has no hair added, and then I'm going to pull taut, and then just go over. And now that my finger is back here, I'm going to grab another piece of hair and put it in between my fingers like so. Put it in between my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to pull tightly and then like so. And you just want to keep doing that as you go.
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know why, just know I want to.
And make sure as you're going, you're raking your fingers through the hair, because it will definitely get tangled and it is so annoying to try to unravel it. So that was 3 pieces so far. I'm just going to add a 4th, and then we're just going to braid down until we're ready to add more hair for length. So I do go ahead and take more product and put it towards the ends of my hair so that they are not frizzing out of the braid. Okay. I was watching Arnell and her weekly vlogs, but I am completely done finally, and my hands do not hurt as bad as I thought they would. So I am about to dip my hair and then lay down the mousse, lay down my edges, and we're gonna call it a go. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this in a ponytail because I actually do not like it down. Whenever I do get box braids, I never really wear them down. They're always in a ponytail, box braids or knotless braids. So yeah, let me go ahead and dump my hair and
girlfriend, let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum, nigga, and you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans, fake nails done by Koreans. Come again, yo, win-win, come again. To the man, concerned with his rims and his Timbs and his women, him and his man. Come in the club like hooligans, don't care who they defend, poppin' yang. You got let's stop pretend. They wanna pack pissed out by the waist, man, crissed out by the casement. Still the name of the basement, the pretty face man, claiming that they did a bid, man. Need to take care of their 3 and 4 kids. In the face in court case when the child support's late. Money taking, heartbreaking, now you wonder why women hate men. The sneaky silent man, the punk domestic violence man, the quick to shoot the semen, stop acting like boys and be men. How you gon' win when you ain't right within? How you gon' win when you ain't right within? How you gon' win when you ain't right within? How you gon' win when you ain't right within?
If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and keep on watching. I did do this kind of like vlog style because I knew it would probably be all over the place, and it's not really a tutorial, but I did want to show you guys what I was doing and how I was doing it. So if you guys want to see more of this like a chaotic style vlog, then go ahead and keep on watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If I do not return, this is the end of the video, and please remember that behind every open and closed door there's always a new opportunity. So keep grinding, sis, and please subscribe, like, and comment and share this video with any of your friends if you love what I do. You understand? Like, I've been kind of in my bag. With the posting and doing what I'm supposed to do on social media. And my pages are growing. Follow me on Instagram, my page is growing over there. Follow me on TikTok, my page is growing over there. And on here as well, my page is growing. Like I know I get subscribers every time that I post a video, and I know I get followers every time that I post something on Instagram. So I've been really consistent, and I just want to continue that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
I can do it. I can do it. Gymnast, I can do it.